Well, the storm will hit our south of us first. That means cities like Eugene and Salem will start seeing some conditions change hours before the Portland area does, and that will give us a better idea of what to expect.
Katu's Vasily Varlamov spoke with ODOT and other agencies in the Mid-Willamette Valley about their plans to keep people safe.
The road behind me likely going to look a lot different tomorrow. Rain, snow, and ice, all possibilities as crews prepare for the winter storm. Marion County Public Works says crews are applying de-icer to roads ahead of the storm. Trucks, sanders, and plows are undergoing checks and will be out at 4 a.m. Thursday. The agency says they will repeat this plan Friday if needed. David House, a spokesperson for ODOT, says Thursday morning will be the worst of conditions on the roads.
Thursday morning, we expect that to be the most challenging time to travel, even in lowlands, potentially very icy in many places throughout the Willamette Valley.
House says snow events in these highly populated low-lying areas can be very difficult for crews.
There's a lot more travel, a lot more roads, a lot more people, and the same amount of equipment to go around across ODOT, cities, counties. We can only be in so many places at so many times.
House says there is no county-to-county difference in response. Roads will be treated with salt, sand, or chemical de-icer, depending on the needs of the situation. Crews will use salt in situations where runoff could go into waterways. Electricity and other utilities are also under threat in this kind of weather. Salem Electric would not speak on camera, but in a statement said, after the President's Day ice storm in 2021, we were able to restore power to 100% of our service territory within 48 hours. We expect to have a similar response if we experience widespread weather-related damage. House says the best tool to keep the public safe is an informed public. He recommends people delay their travel plans if they can, but if you have to travel tomorrow, check TripCheck for the latest road conditions. In Salem, Vasily Varlamov.